There's an internal war that we all face within. The body is telling us one thing, the spirit is telling us another thing. But we have to win the war within, and this is by listening and obeying the spirit.
Food, sleep, give me more sleep.
Plan, work, or tomorrow you'll weep.
Buy now, spend now, nothing too cheap.
Save now, or tomorrow you'll be picking from the street.
Cars, clothes, I need more.
That's enough for now, or tomorrow you'll be poor.
Chips, burgers, give me without measure.
Not too often, or tomorrow you'll get high blood pressure.
Meat, give me red meat.
Not too often, or it will put you to sleep.
Cookies, cakes, fill the whole plate.
Take only one before it's too late.
Drink it all, have some more, make this night a blast.
If you continue this way, you'll be a memory of the past.
Eat this, eat that, take as much as you can.
Slow down now so you don't reduce your lifespan.
Take it, deny it, there is no harm.
Don't do that. You'll set off an alarm.
Go here, go there, and go with your feet.
Don't go there. It's a dark and deadly street.
Women, men, give me pleasure.
Wait. Don't give out your treasure.
Go with the flow when you are away from your spouse.
Avoid situations that will make you aroused.
Do it for today. Don't worry about tomorrow.
Your actions today may lead to tomorrow's sorrows.
That's me. I know. I may lead you to destruction.
Obey me, my friend. Follow my instruction. Obedience to the body can lead to destruction, but obedience to the spirit leads to life and peace.